A majority of Utah school districts have now returned to the classroom, and already some districts are experiencing issues with COVID. News specialist Ladd Egan now looking into this for us tonight. Ladd?
Yeah, Mike, the start of the school year off to a bumpy start in some parts of. I just got an update from the Salt Lake City School District about a teacher training last week that resulted in approximately 300 teachers getting a letter about possible exposure to COVID-19. The school district telling me that of those 300 possible exposures, only 11 teachers requested to stay home on the first day of school.
Fortunately, in our district, a large majority of our employees are vaccinated. And many on that specific day at that teacher training, many of them were wearing masks as well. We just want to make sure that the students and parents understand that we're taking this seriously. There wasn't any exposure to students.
Salt Lake City Schools says those 11 teachers quarantining at home on the first week didn't cause a problem in the classroom as they were able to easily find substitute teachers. The teacher training took place at Highland High School last Tuesday and Wednesday. The district said it tried to separate teachers throughout the building as a precaution. The teacher with the positive COVID case was in the main auditorium. The district worked with the health department to do contact tracing and identify those with a possible exposure. And I am also tracking back to school concerns here in Utah County. The health department noticing some higher levels of absenteeism among students, and they're urging families to get tested for COVID if children have symptoms.
We have a variant that spreads like crazy. So it is a very different year, and it truly has been a game changer for us all. And the Delta variant is something that we are extremely, extremely concerned about.
The health department says those pockets with a high number of students missing school are mostly in the northern part of Utah County, but that it doesn't know the exact reason for all the absences. One middle school had almost 80 students absent. The health department says it's also hearing about cases of RSV, which can have similar symptoms to COVID, which is why they want to make sure that people are getting tested so that we can get a better idea about what is going on here. And Mike, the state health department saying that children in Utah are getting COVID-19 at a rate 2 to 5 times higher than what we saw at the start of the last school year. So that's what's causing this concern about what's going to happen as we get farther into the school year.
All right, Ladd Egan live for us tonight. Ladd, thanks for breaking those numbers down for us.